Hey guys, all right, last video. So we just need to do these last quick examples and then I will let you go for today. All right, so predict whether the change in entropy is positive or negative for each of the following processes, which are going to be reactions, assuming that each is occurring at a constant temp. I want you to indicate whether each of the following processes produces an increase or decrease in the entropy of the system. Well, first of all, let's correspond an increase in entropy to if delta S is going to be positive or negative. If entropy is going up, delta S should be positive. If entropy is going down, delta S would be negative. So let's look at our first example here. All right, so liquid water to water vapor. We're increasing entropy, so delta S should be positive. Going from an aqueous silver ion to an aqueous chloride ion to make solid silver chloride. You've gone from 2 moles to 1. That's a decrease in entropy, so negative. 4 moles of solid iron react with 3 moles of oxygen gas to generate 2 moles of an iron 3 oxide solution. Again, negative, decrease. You went from 7 moles to 2 moles. You definitely decreased, right? All right, last one. 1 mole of nitrogen gas reacts with 1 mole of oxygen gas to generate 2 moles of nitrogen monoxide gas. Well, same temp, same phase. You went from 2 moles to 2 moles. Well, we could look at, did you change the size of the molecules? But no, we went from 2 moles of diatomic to 2 moles of diatomic. So I wouldn't expect you to be able to tell me. I mean, because it's basically going to be around 0. It may be slightly positive or slightly negative, but there's no way for you to be able to tell that from this question. All right. So next video, we're going to pick up with starting to sort of quantitatively study entropy because we're finally done studying entropy from a qualitative perspective. All right. So on Friday, we'll study quantitative entropy. All right. Stover out.